I'm building a robot to explore underwater cave passages, hopefully allowing me to discover new passageways that have never been seen. But before I do any of that, I need to make sure that the robot is waterproof. After all, I did spend a lot of money on the electronics, so I wouldn't want to see anything bad happen to them. The waterproof electronics enclosure is made from a clear PVC tube with 3D printed end caps. The 3D prints are sealed with epoxy to make them waterproof, and the whole thing is sealed with 2 rubber O-rings to keep the water out. Theoretically, that's where the first test comes in. So after submerging it under some heavy weights for about an hour, I disassembled it to see if everything worked.
That is a pretty wet paper towel.
It didn't take long to figure out why.
This surface right here is where the O-ring seals, but you can see there's some parts where the epoxy didn't quite settle in, and then you can hear the texture right there.
So with a second coat of epoxy to smooth things out, an overnight submersion test proved that we could keep things dry, and that meant we were ready to test it at depth by taking it out to the lake.
Okay.
We left it at depth for about 10 minutes before pulling it back up.
It's still going. Oh, I see light.
Oh, that's a good sign.
And now for the moment of truth.
Yeah? That's bone dry.
Now that it's waterproof, the next step is to make it move. Subscribe if you want to see that happen.